Hey, I'm just getting ready to clean around the house with this steam cleaner, but I want to show you everything that you get with it. The brand did send this to me in exchange for my honest opinion. Let me show you everything you need to know. You got a narrow nylon bristle brush, and then they give you two wide mouth bristle brush, and then they're giving you this squeegee attachment. It's got a microfiber cloth you can put over the attachment. Here's where you fill it up. They give you this little funnel. You can pop that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some reverse osmosis water in here. So just long press it to turn it on, and then just click here. We're gonna start on low and let this steam kind of start. All right, so we're on low mode. Look, you can see all the steam coming out of here, coming right through the cloth. Wow, that's really hot. And the steam is just gonna power right through. Look at that. One pass, clean that is. Look at the left side, that's the path, okay? Right down the middle, and the steam just cut right through everything. You can also use this without the cloth on. Now watch, you can go ahead and just squeegee all the way down. And you're just loosening and removing all of the dirt and grime on there. Crystal clear, completely clean, not a speck of dirt on that mirror. Grime off our, really powerful. It is quite loud, I have to say. Cut through all the toothpaste, all the soap that is sitting on there, and you can see how clean that is. No problem at all. So I'm disinfecting, I'm cleaning, only water, steam, no chemical cleaners at all. The things that I really like about this the most is the fact that this handle is got this long hose, and you can set this body with the water down, and then you've got all kinds of freedom of movement with the handle here. So I feel like this is a great value. So if you're into steam cleaning, or you want to get your feet wet and get into steam cleaning for the first time, this is going to be a great option. So definitely pick this one up and check it out. It's pretty impressed with the power on this one. Was able to cut through some pretty heavy grease, clean up the bathroom nice and quick, do your mirrors, do your windows, really anything you want to do with this. So there you go. That is my very quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.